Hi everyone, welcome to Data Server. My name is Taiwo. Our topic today, Excel data analysis 10 speed faster must know tricks. In this tutorial, you will learn Excel tricks that will completely transform the way you work with data. The most crucial aspect of this tutorial is to show you how to analyze data like a pro, as stated below. So we're going to transform the same thing that you see on the background of this page. So let me load our Excel template to show you how to do it. So basically, all we have 4 column by 15 record. So all we need to do is to highlight from country to annual sales. Our column read from contact name, company name, country, annual sales. And we highlight it from country to annual sales. And we press Control Q. That is the code that we require to understand how to use it. And the Control Q will automatically show you formatting chart, total, table, spark line. So we click chart and we select cluster bar chart. And the cluster bar chart, we arrange it to the one side. And the next thing to do is to select from company name all the way to annual sales again, and we have to press Ctrl Q again for the second time, and we go to our bar chart and we select cluster bar chart again, and it's going to automatically populate based on our selection. And the third Ctrl Q is to highlight from contact name all the way to annual sales, and we're going to press Ctrl Q again, and we're going to select, go to our chart and press cluster bar chart again. So these are the 3 charts we want. So basically it's completed, as you can see, it's shown on the screen. So we position the way where we want them. So all we need to do is to modify the title. So we align them first and foremost, as I'm doing, as you can see. We add the color coding. So I'm going to change all the title based on our selection, and the easiest way to make your charts look more presentable, I will show you in a minute. So since we've already highlighted and aligned the way we want, so as you can see, everything is showing annual sales, but we know that this particular one is based on country. So we're going to change the title to annual sales by country, and that's how it's going to be our title. And we're going to make it bold. And this one is based on analysis by company name. Change this to analysis by company name. That's it. As I said, I'll make this one bold as well. And the third one is analysis by contact name. So this is your data analysis in 3 minutes. So the next thing to do, just to make it more colorful, is to change the bar chart color. As you can see, go to the field, you select the bar chart, and you select vary color. Automatically change. You do the same thing to the rest. Select vary color, and you come here as well. Select the bar and vary color. All the color change. So the good thing about this quick data analysis, I can close this. I can change all this. Right click and right mouse click and click change chart type, and I'm going to change it to column chart, which I'm going to select this one, the first one. Now click OK. Automatically change for you. And I will also change this one, change chart type. I'm going to select column. As you can see, that's it. This is all what you need to know. That's it. It's done. Less than 4 minutes. Our data analysis is ready. Unleash your potential. Come to Data Sofa for more tutorial and advanced user. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain your style. Stay blessed.